Hey guys, I'm Adelina. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I draw my supply and demand zones. Simple, no complicated strategies, no indicators, just price action, structure, and clean charts. But let's keep it simple. Supply zone is the zone where sellers stepped in aggressively. It's an area on a chart. Demand zone is an area where buyers step in aggressively. We are basically marking the areas where big players stepped in and make imbalances. We are expecting in those areas the price to react again. But let me show you more on a chart. Today, I'm using the 5-minute chart on US 30 because it's clean and give fast confirmation. But the rules are the same, whether you trade 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. So let's start with the demand. How to identify it? So a valid demand zone needs 3 things. 1. Price dropped into an area. 2. We get a strong push up. You will see green candles and momentum. And 3. That push up breaks some kind of structure, even a small one. That tells us buyer to control. So you see right here on a chart. Price dropped into this area, then a strong push up. And the price did break this structure right here. Okay? So that tells us the buyers to control. Now, how to draw a demand zone? First, we have to find the base before the move. The base is usually 1, 2, sometimes 3 candles. In our case, are 3 candles. So the move started here, and we have our base formed by 1, 2, 3 candle right here. We take the rectangle tool from the left and we drag from the bottom of the candle to the top. Make sure you include all the 3 candles in that zone. We extend the rectangle to the right into the future, and that whole block becomes our demand zone. Simple, clean, no guessing. Now that we've drawn it, let's slide the chart to the right and see how price reacted. This part is key. When price come back, does it reject the zone? Does it cut straight through? Let's see. The price reacted beautifully to this zone. You could see a big push up. It started from that point, it started a big uptrend. So the demand zone is confirmed. Let me show you another example. Here, the price dropped into this area, then a strong push up, and that push up break this structure. It's a small structure, but it break. So our base now is 1, 2, 3 candles. We take the rectangle and we draw from the bottom of the candle to the top. 1, 2, 3. And we drag it. Let's see. Here we are. The price touch it and push up. So this is a confirmed demand zone. And now let's move to the supply zone. Supply is exact opposite of the demand zone. So what you want to look for? 1, price push up. 2, strong aggressive drop. And 3, that drop breaks a small structure, which confirms seller strength. Okay, so we have right here price push up, then a strong drop, and this drop break this structure right here. Okay, so that's our supply. How to draw it? Same. We have to identify the base. The base, it's formed 1, 2, or 3 candles. So we take the rectangle tool and we drag it from the top of the candle to the bottom. Make sure you include all the candle in that zone. We extend the rectangle to the right, and this is our supply zone. Now let's see if the supply zone is confirmed. Let's see. Okay, right here you can see the price touched the supply zone and it just dropped. So here is the confirmation. Now let me show you another example. Here we have a supply zone that didn't form from one clean candle. It actually formed after a small consolidation, and that's totally fine. In fact, it often means that orders were building up here. You can see price pushes up, then you can also see an aggressive strong drop right here. And here it did form a small consolidation. So how do we draw this? Similar. From the top of the bullish candle to the bottom. And make sure you include the other candles in. Just like this. Now let's drag this to the right. And you can see right here the price touches and actually give you a little rejection and drops. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll make a full series with live example, backtesting, strategies, and many more to come. But don't forget, like and subscribe. And also stick around because this is just the beginning. This is my first video. So thank you for watching.